All heart murmurs can sound scary. They are simply a clue. A murmur is a whooshing sound from turbulent blood flow. It can be harmless in puppies or a sign of valve or muscle disease in adults. Age, breed, fitness, and overall health all play a role. Watch for early symptoms: coughing at rest, fast or labored, breathing while relaxed, reduced stamina on normal walks, new picky eating or weight loss. Know the urgent signs too: fainting or collapse, pale or bluish gums, a swollen belly from fluid. These mean the heart is struggling and your dog needs immediate care. Your veterinarian will confirm and grade a murmur during a physical exam. Then testing can clarify the cause. Chest x-rays to assess heart size or lung fluid, an electrocardiogram to check rhythm, blood pressure and targeted blood tests to rule out anemia or high blood pressure, an echocardiogram to see valves, chambers and blood flow in real time. Tampa's heat and humidity increase breathing effort and can worsen symptoms. Heartworm is common in Florida. Use prevention year-round. Keep your dog hydrated. Schedule wellness checks before summer peaks. Many dogs with murmurs live active, happy lives with monitoring and timely treatment. Help your dog by maintaining a healthy weight, daily appropriate exercise, and good dental care. Track breathing rate, appetite, activity, and gum color at home. Call your vet if symptoms persist or intensify. For clear answers and compassionate care in Tampa, contact Harbourside Animal Hospital to schedule a heart health evaluation.